a fighter jet so advanced that many experts called it one of the deadliest 4.5 generation aircraft in the world. A machine capable of striking targets deep inside enemy territory and returning before the enemy even understands what happened. When this aircraft entered the Indian Air Force, it completely changed the balance of air power in South Asia. Today, we are talking about the pride of modern Indian air combat capability, the Dassault Rafale. The Rafale is a twin-engine multi-role fighter aircraft currently operated by the Indian Air Force. The word Rafale in French means gust of wind or burst of fire, and honestly, the aircraft lives up to that name perfectly. It can perform air superiority missions, ground attacks, reconnaissance, nuclear delivery roles, maritime strikes, and precision bombing, all from the same platform. That is why it is called an omni-role fighter aircraft, because it can switch missions even during flight. The aircraft was designed and manufactured by Dassault Aviation in France. India signed the deal for 36 Rafale fighter jets in 2016, and the first aircraft officially arrived in India in 2020. These aircraft are mainly stationed at Ambala Air Force Station and Hasimara Air Force Station. Strategically positioned for both western and eastern sectors, from deserts to mountains, the Rafale was selected specifically to handle India's complex combat requirements. Now, if you ever see a Rafale in a video or air show and wonder how to identify it, there are a few very distinct features. First, notice the sharp triangular delta wings. Unlike conventional fighters, the Rafale has a sleek and compact design. Then look near the cockpit. You'll see small forward wings called canards. These improve maneuverability and stability. The aircraft has two engines, two air intakes, and a very aggressive shark nose-like design. Compared to heavier fighters like the Su-30 MKI, the Rafale looks more compact, but don't underestimate it. This aircraft is designed for high survivability and rapid attack capability. The Rafale is powered by two Safran M88 turbofan engines. Each engine produces massive thrust, allowing the aircraft to reach speeds of around Mach 1.8, which is nearly twice the speed of sound. The engines are specially designed to reduce infrared signatures, helping the aircraft avoid enemy detection systems. Despite carrying heavy weapons, the Rafale maintains excellent agility and fuel efficiency. Inside the cockpit, the aircraft is extremely modern. It uses advanced fly-by-wire technology, digital displays, helmet-mounted targeting systems, and one of the most sophisticated electronic warfare suites in the world called Spectra. This system helps detect jam and evade enemy radar and missile threats. Many defense experts consider the Spectra system one of the Rafale's greatest strengths because survivability in modern warfare is just as important as firepower. The Rafale can carry an enormous variety of weapons. It has 14 hardpoints and can carry nearly 9,500 kilograms of payload. That includes air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, cruise missiles, anti-ship missiles, and nuclear weapons if required. One of the most famous weapons integrated with the Rafale is the Meteor missile. This missile changed the aerial combat equations in the region because it can destroy enemy aircraft from extremely long distances beyond visual range. Another major weapon is the Scalp EG cruise missile, capable of precision strikes deep inside enemy territory. It also carries the Hammer weapon system, which became widely discussed after its deployment in mountainous conditions. One of the reasons India wanted the Rafale urgently was its capability to operate in difficult environments, whether it is extreme heat in Rajasthan or freezing conditions near the Himalayas. The aircraft performs effectively during the India-China tensions in Ladakh after 2020. Rafale deployment significantly strengthened India's air power presence in the region. Its rapid development capability, long-range weapons, and advanced sensors gave India an important operational advantage. The Rafale is also capable of aerial refueling, meaning it can stay airborne for very long missions depending on the mission configuration. Its combat radius can exceed 1000 kilometers, and with refueling support, it can strike targets much farther away. The aircraft can also operate from aircraft carriers in naval variants, showing its flexibility in different combat environments. When it comes to combat history globally, the Rafale has already proven itself in real operations. France has used it in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, and Syria. These operations demonstrated its ability to conduct precision strikes, reconnaissance, and air superiority missions under real combat conditions. The combat-proven reputation was one of the major reasons India trusted this aircraft. Another fascinating aspect of the Rafale is its low maintenance requirement compared to many heavy fighters. It was designed for quick turnaround times. Ground crews can rearm and refuel it rapidly, allowing the aircraft to return to combat quickly during wartime situations. In modern warfare, operational readiness matters immensely, and the Rafale performs strongly in that area. Today, the Rafale is considered among the most advanced fighters in Asia, even though India currently operates only 36 aircraft. Their technological capability gives the Indian Air Force a major strategic edge. Future upgrades are expected to include even better radar systems, enhanced electronic warfare capabilities, and newer weapons integrations. The Rafale is not just a fighter jet, it is a message that India's air power is evolving rapidly with technology, precision, and modern warfare capability. Silent on radar, deadly in combat, and capable of striking with unmatched accuracy, the Dassault Rafale has become one of the sharpest swords in India's aerial arsenal. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.